Welcome back. Now we're going to check in with our friends at Resthouse.
Hi, I'm Chris Manley from Resthouse Sleep Solutions here on Vancouver Island, and we're here to give you a little bit more insight on how to get a better night's sleep. The holy grail of sleep is often sought but never found. Our intention is to sort of open up a dialogue on how it can be done differently. We find that the majority of the industry, the bed in the box, the retailers, the sort of the conventional mattress companies, they're selling kind of a one-size-fits-all approach. And at Resthouse, we really believe in looking at three key components. The first one being temperature, second one being alignment, and the third one being support. How can we take all three of those to get a good night's sleep? We have the perfect solution for side sleepers. Enter in the Echo Wool Body Pillow. We've had this beautiful pillow designed and made for us to actually work with all side sleepers. If you sleep on your side and struggle with your hips and shoulder pain, we have that answer. We've made 4 body pillows in 4 different sizes based on different people's weight. So when you're sleeping on your side and you have no support, you know how your shoulders and your hips kind of slide and then your neck tilts? We've come up with a program that works so that anybody sleeping at their side can realize dramatic improvement in their sleep. And I'm not talking just a little bit, I'm talking life-changing benefits. When you start taking away that twisting of your spine, the amount of pressure relief that happens and the amount of deep sleep that actually follows is pretty incredible. So yes, check out an Echo Wool Body Pillow. You won't be sorry. Natural mattresses solve sleep issues by the ability to be able to be customized, by the ability to be able to really work with your temperature, right? Not all mattresses are created equal. They're sort of trying to cater to everyone, right? And that just doesn't work. So with our mattresses, you know, made by Obasan and Savvy Rest and Naturepedic, we make it so that we can focus as a couple, but one person individually, right? Often you're buying a mattress and someone's compromising. We find that that's not necessary. You can actually get a mattress that's actually firm on one side, soft on the other, and that can actually make it so you can both have your perfect sleep scenario. The temperature's huge. When doing natural, I think that's probably the #1 thing that we need to talk about, is if you're getting warm, you're kind of not getting a good night's sleep. It's waking you up almost as much, if not more, than an unsupportive mattress. When you get those heat spikes, get hot, get cold, that's the biggest thing that we found is a problem for most people. So if you find that you're getting really hot, there is a way to do it. There's a few key elements that you have to work on, whether it's the sheets, the comforter, you know, the actual type of mattress that's underneath you. Without doing that, you're gonna find that you're still using the I'm hot. How do you get out of that? You get out of being hot by going with natural ingredients. They'll save your sleep life.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.